Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am boxing for you a secret Cupid Valentine's Day Advent calendar. So there are 14 packages wrapped up with a variety of different products from Valentine lines, from crepe paper and pebbles. I've used Main Squeeze and Forever My Always mostly for these gifts. And then I've filled a variety of different bags. There I reused a Ipsy bag and decorated it up with some different products from Carousel and some Valentine's products as well. You'll see some videos for these little pockets and things that I've created individually. There's a couple of videos like on that one there. But otherwise, I've tucked in some really fun little surprises. Some things are paper crafts. There are a few little treats and odds and ends, and this was really a lot of fun to create, and it was really a lot of fun to receive. You would have seen my unboxing of the one that was sent to me. If you haven't already, I invite you to check that out because I was sent a beautiful gift and it had a very nice theme. So when I was packaging this up, I actually realized that I had duplicated one of the numbers. So the exact box that I sent her is a little different because I had to rearrange some of the packaging because I went through all the numbers to make sure everything was right. So I've reused my FabFitFun Box and I've just covered that up with this little logo here that I created, or it's not logo, sorry, this little paper craft sign that I've created, and I added one of those bears, some crinkle paper, some confetti, and packaged it all up to send off to the recipient. She has received it now, and she will start opening as of February 1st, one gift per day, all the way through to the 14th. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so and hit the notification bell if you want to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, all your comments and your likes. It really helps my channel grow. So thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time.